Good afternoon, everyone. Here's an extended look at our weather, the weather report on Wednesday afternoon. I'm meteorologist Ted Keller. Interesting, we had our temperature stop climbing and actually fall the last couple of hours. We're at 78 now. Meanwhile, upstate, it's 87 in Columbia, and there's a pocket of 90s around St. Louis, parts of Illinois. So, what's going on here with these cooler temperatures, including some 60s now only in parts of Oklahoma and even northwest Arkansas? Zoom in on a little bit. Well, part of the explanation lies in looking at the cloud cover. You can see an extensive shield of cloud cover has overtaken all of southern Missouri and a good chunk of northern Arkansas too. And embedded in this, some of the colder tops indicated by those orange colors, there is some radar activity, some showers that are kind of arcing into the area. Put that into motion, you can see what's going on. It's increasing across northwest Arkansas. It's increasing across McDonald County. But it's also moving more north than it is east, but it is developing a little east. So what I'm saying is that we will get some showers around the Springfield metro area here, probably in the next hour or so. I'm recording this about 20 minutes after 4 o'clock this afternoon. It's all part of an upper level low, which you can kind of see. I'll turn the data off here, the temperatures, and you can see the spinning motion there around Oklahoma City. There's a severe thunderstorm watch in southern Oklahoma and northern parts of Texas. I'm not expecting severe thunderstorms with this, only because I don't think there's enough wind shear and because the instability, while it's building in the heat of the day down where the watch is, will not have the same effect here. And by the time you get to tomorrow, it just simply won't be that unstable around the area anymore. Let's take a look at the pattern here for the next couple of days. This is the mid-level of the atmosphere, what we call the 500 millibar level, and it features here, if I start this, a fast-moving main jet up to the north of us, and then this little cutoff low that's producing the showers that you saw on radar just a few seconds ago. So let's see what happens. That little cutoff low kind of shears away and disappears. Meanwhile, as we head into Friday morning here, warm temperatures building back. Saturday morning is right here, really getting warm again. 80s, no problem Saturday and Sunday. But this feature right here is going to be wave one of what will be, I think, an expansive area of severe weather day by day, starting on Saturday over the plains and spreading to the Ozarks, I think, ultimately. Let's take a look at what happens to that jet stream pattern. This is Sunday morning. Again, it shifts just a little more east. And then I think this is rather ominous looking on Monday evening with mid-level flow very strong, unstable air underneath that. That could be something that we really need to watch for that period. In fact, the Storm Prediction Center has us in a 3-day progression of severe storms there. So D4 is Saturday. And there may be some recent evidence to suggest that may need to be extended southward a little bit. And then also D5, that's Sunday, maybe gets into portions of the northwest part of the Ozarks. And then on D6, that's Monday, the Ozarks is in the epicenter pretty much of a severe weather potential area. Temperatures really won't miss much of a beat. We'll be cooler tomorrow, but there's no cold fronts involved in any of this. This is all due to showers and clouds and the coolness they provide. So a little bit of a peak downward in temperature tomorrow, but we climb through the weekend, I think, well into the 80s on Saturday and Sunday. No, again, real strong cold air at all, and the details of the 7-day forecast include 70s and 80s across the board for the next 7 days and probably beyond. We'll have further updates. I'll talk much more about the severe weather coming up this weekend, and particularly for the Ozarks on Monday as we get closer to it. Also, of course, my storm chase tours are running. Just have to decide what the best tour for everybody is coming up this weekend and Monday. So clear your calendar, mark your schedule. It should be an exciting few days if you like the thrill of storm chasing. I'll have more information on my blogs and maybe some video presentations coming up in the next couple of days.